Are you gonna clean the carburetor out?
Yeah. A 10 millimeter, take this bolt off here. Get that bolt out, then we'll get to the other bolt. And that little other bolt's a little bit harder.
Yeah. 2 of them.
Yeah. Oh. I'll put the bolt here.
Okay.
Here comes this bolt here. This is a little bit hard to get to. It's got an angle on it. It's a shame what they did to that football player.
Yeah.
Oh, we almost left the. Oh wow, wasn't that hooked up?
I don't know if that wire was or not.
That thing's supposed to go in here and in there. Oh wow. That's supposed to be moving back and forth, but it's too tight.
Oh yeah.
Get this loosen up stuff on it. It's too tight. Froze up for a little while.
Yeah.
No wonder they didn't get no gas.
It's sitting for a while, huh?
Get the WD-40 down in both places. Get it loosened up here. Oh, it's loosened now.
Yeah, that's right.
We'll try to loosen that up. Get that loosened. That wasn't even moving back and forth. I gotta get a 1/2 inch wrench. I was thinking that might have been that problem. Is that
Choke thing.
I have to, does that look dirty?
No, we can stick a needle through it to make sure.
Working pretty good there. See if it's coming far enough to open or not. I don't know if it's coming far enough to let the gas in or not. You blow that thing out a little bit too.
Oh yeah.
Make sure the washer don't blow away.
I was trying to get a video of that. Okay, we'll blow that out. It had a little speck on it.
Yeah. Blow down through there.
Looking better now?
Yeah. I think that went down to the bottom, didn't it?
Yeah.
It ain't got no hole in it, does it?
No.
Gasket. I gotta get this throttle in here first. Oh, I can't see it now.
Let's see. Where's it going? This hole over here?
Yeah. Am I even close?
No. You hold the phone right there. Let's see.
It's a little bit hard to get out. You go ahead and bend it
Oh,
more.
there it is. Okay. Oh, it's not bending right. Okay, I guess it's...
Wait a minute, it's got to get a gasket on.
Oh,
Is it still on there?
yeah.
Okay, here, you take this thing. I'll make sure it stays on there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here comes the gasket. Here comes the gasket. I have to line that gasket up in the bolt, John.
Okay.
Okay, I got one. Which way does the gasket go?
I think it's in it. Here, let's see. Okay, it's in it. That one's in.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's in the... Oh, it feels like it's going down.
You try to drill.
You have to look in there and see where that gasket goes.
Oh, it's gotta go up.
The whole
Oh, the
thing.
gasket won't go up. Oh, wait a minute, down. Right there. Right there. Here, you take this phone. I can't do nothing with that. I don't know how they do it one-handed.
Here, I'm going to shut this thing off, okay?
Not wanting to thread.
You shut this thing off.
Right. Right there. Okay. Feel like it's working now?
A little bit. But I guess when the wind blows it. Let's see. Where's the spring? Spring.
Can the gas line back up? Hey, pliers.
Is it up far enough? Oh, yeah. We got one piece of it.
Yeah.
There we go. Hope that does it.